Today we are attempting to make black marshmallow webs for our cake. We have a red cake and we are gonna put black marshmallow webs on it. So wish me luck and welcome back to Shirley's Bakes Cakes. One of my viewers asked if I've ever attempted to make black marshmallow to make, spider webs on a cake. And in my past videos, I have done the marshmallow webs, which is so messy and so much fun, by the way, but I did change them a little bit of colors and they worked out so good. But I've never made black marshmallow because black, as we all know, is a hard color to achieve because it likes to go purple and then you have to add a whole lot of food coloring to get it to that right black color. Well, this cute viewer asked me if I would try it, so I'm going to try it. She asked what it would be like to put a black spider web on a red cake. So we're working with two really crazy colors today. Red is a hard color to achieve, as is black, but we are going to do this. I'll show you in another video how I got this deep red color without adding so much food coloring that it tastes different and that it stains your teeth and all that. We don't want that, so I'll show you guys in another video how I got that deep red color. All right, we're gonna make spider webs. And what we need for spider webs is we need marshmallows. We need marshmallows all over the floor, apparently, because that's what's happening. Okay, we need marshmallows and we need to melt them in a bowl because we're gonna get gooey and crazy. Today, I'm using gloves. You guys know that I don't usually use gloves. I'm really okay with just getting crazy, but we're using this nice deep black color to get our marshmallow black. I'm just using Chef Master Coal Black. Try it. I got it off Amazon. Yeah, this is how we're gonna achieve that black color in our marshmallow. So what I'm gonna do is just put my marshmallows in a microwave safe bowl and we are gonna put them in the microwave. And we'll put them in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Just watch it, they'll like puff up and then they'll kind of just go flat and then you can just stir them up like you can see. And now I'm gonna add the black. Okay, we're gonna start out by adding a little bit of black. You can see it turns a nice purple color. Black, it just turns purple. And we're just gonna add a little bit more, starting to go a little bit darker, but we're gonna have to go a little bit darker so we don't have purple spider webs, we have black spider webs. All right, that is looking good and black, but remember, we did add a lot of food coloring, and when we add a lot of food coloring to things, you guys, to chocolates or really anything, it really kind of changes the consistency. So we're gonna see how well we're gonna be able to spread this marshmallow because I have a feeling that this food coloring kind of changed our marshmallow texture. Let's get the gloves on. I've got my cake and I have my gloves on because we all know I needed gloves for this because black, I mean, you get it. Okay, now I'm just gonna get my hand right into this marshmallow black goo. We're gonna pull it out and then it should separate and then we'll just kind of put it around the cake. Kind of like we're just giving the cake a hug. Okay, you can see already that this marshmallow consistency is not like the last time that I made marshmallow webs and added a little bit of color. This one is not separating. The texture is definitely different, you guys, definitely different. All right, let's see how good I can get some on the cake. We're gonna just kind of pull it around and see how well. You can see it's kind of leaving a little black where I'm not sticking the marshmallow. And I kind of like it because it's a Halloween cake, so we're just gonna keep it. Look it. Okay, you guys can see on my gloves, the marshmallow consistency is not ideal to, wrap around this cake. It doesn't really want to, and that is because of our food coloring. Because like I said, we had to put a lot of black to make it black, and it definitely changed the consistency. So I'm gonna say it worked. We got some black webs on there and it looks really cool, but it definitely isn't as fun and didn't work as well. If you wanna cover your whole cake in marshmallow webs, don't do it black. Just do it white or change it to another color, but you only have to put like a drop in and it will change it. And now I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of buttercream piping and some sprinkles. What do you guys think? I feel like the black marshmallow, we got some on the cake. We got it there, but we didn't get to cover the whole cake in marshmallow because the consistency was a little off, but I still feel like, you know, it turned out to be like a hauntingly Halloween blood red cake. I'll take it. I hope you guys like it too. Give me some more ideas so we can try it and see if it works. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalice Bakes Cakes, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Have a hauntingly beautiful day.